All right, so step one is you need to get the project types from your blueprint. So whatever the final list of project types that you have, we need one of these created in your, one for each created in your chart of accounts. So you're going to go over to here and click new, and I want to make a new account, and we're just going to take the option here. So EXTP, that's going to be the account. The account type is going to be income. And then the detail type is going to be service or fee income. And then the description here, I can write in exterior painting. We want this to be a sub account of the sales account. So right here, sales income account. And we're going to click save and then do the same thing for each additional service. So once again, we're going to go to this master list that we have here. Now I'm going to do INTP. This is going to be an income account. The detail type is going to be sales slash fee income or service slash fee income. It's a sub account of the sales account. And then this one's going to be called interior painting. And we'll save that and then do another one. This one is going to be called, and again, it's whatever, if you had 3 accounts, you would do 3. You don't need to make as many as I'm making in this situation because this is just, whatever this company settled on. But the most important thing is that the account name matches the actual project type that you have in your system. So we're going to do, again, income, service, fee income, sub account for the sales, and then this is going to be interior cabinet painting, and do that. And I'm going to do one more just for the sake of the demo here. And this is specialty. Okay, so we have those accounts created. That's great. Now, in the next video, I'll be talking about the products and the creation of the products.